Today is the start of a new series here on the channel. I'd like to say it's more on the make side of Make Adventure, but it will certainly be an adventure, lasting hopefully not more than 10 months. It's the biggest build I've ever done and really excited to share it with you. So today we start the process of building our modern longhouse. We bought this chalet up in ski country north of Toronto back in 2017. It was our weekend getaway and really a chance to escape the confines of the city and spend a little more time outdoors and really enjoying the peaceful kind of cottage-like atmosphere. When we purchased this house, our criteria was really twofold. One, we needed to be 15 minutes from the ski resort, and two, no neighbors, or at least enough property where we didn't feel like we had neighbors that we were right on top of like in the city. We'd been looking for close to 2 years until we found this place, and it ticked all the boxes for us. It was 10 minutes to the ski hill, 2 minutes to all the shops and amazing restaurants and things down in Thornbury, and 2 acres of property that backs onto conservation land with a couple of hundred acres behind us. We have a trail that leads down to the river, which is amazing. We've got our own little swimming hole down there. It's an incredible place to be. So, the Red Shed. It's a great little house, nothing too fancy. There's 2 bedrooms upstairs and another one down with bunks for the kids and for friends. We did some fairly extensive renovations downstairs, building a great family space with a home theater projector and a foosball table, and finally a place for my beloved pinball machine that I've had since I was 5. And it was great to finally get that all set up and see it get a bit of use. When COVID came along, we decided to come up to the chalet, and we'll wait out that 3 weeks where the kids would be off school. And as we all know, that 3 weeks turned into 3 years. And after about a year of living here at the chalet, we decided to make it permanent. Our kids were moving schools anyway, so it felt like, it was the right time for us. We started planning our build more than 2 years ago, and it turns out it's a pretty complicated and kind of uneasy thing to do during a global pandemic. Everything was in flux, not least of which being the price of building materials, which just went right through the roof. And we went through a lot of design work over the course of about a year. We had a builder lined up to start, then we lost our builder. We ended up changing direction with a new team, and we ended up working with an amazing architect named Mendez. He does some incredible work. He's just got a great sense for design. I'll put a link in the description for anybody who wants to check out his site. Lewis hooked us up with another builder, and this was amazing. His name's Lyle Ralph at Lavender Homes, and we're really happy to be working with Lyle. He does great work, and we just can't wait to get started. So, what are we building? Well, we're going from this to this. Basically, we're keeping the existing structure of the house and converting the whole upstairs portion to bedrooms. So just walking up these stairs will be gone. This area right here will be kind of where our bathroom will be for our master bedroom. So this room, which was our living room, the fireplace stays, obviously, we're not moving that anywhere. There'll be a wall coming across here, and this will be the entrance to our bedroom. And then the kitchen and the other 2 bedrooms, they become bedrooms and an office. And a bathroom as well. So this room is our little rec room, kind of home theater area. The screen is up on the wall here, is now taken down. We've got pinball machine all wrapped up, ready to go. Same with foosball over here. We're gonna leave those in this space. This space will be pretty much untouched. They're gonna drop the ceiling down just so they can run plumbing and wires, but it's gonna be remaining kind of what it is now, hopefully down the road as well. We're adding a living room and a dining room, a kitchen and a garage. A nice big garage with a staircase down to a nice big unfinished basement space. Did I mention the garage? Really looking forward to having a more refined workshop and a space to work on cars or projects. It's really going to be an amazing experience to have that shop, and I've been wanting to do this for a very, very long time, so it should be cool. So where are we at? We spent the last 2 weeks packing up, which I'd like to say was just an easy, fun process, but it really wasn't. It was tough. It's amazing what stuff comes out of the woodwork that you didn't even know you had. What are your thoughts? We've got a sea container here on site where most of my garage and tools and kind of workshop or things that we'll need on an ongoing basis over the next 10 months. So we've got that all set up now. And then we have 2 other storage lockers down the street. The movers have been, they've moved out all our stuff. It was quite a day, and now we're just waiting for the time when we can move back again, and hopefully in time for Christmas. We've got the shed lifted off the ground. We're gonna put some rollers under here and then roll it over there out of the way, and then all this crap can go back in the shed. We got a couple of days of sunshine, so we get her done.
Yep.
This is the last moment you will see this like this. This is it. It's all over. Tomorrow, excavator comes and starts knocking things down. First of all, that probably. I don't know where they're going to start, but the garage is probably going to be gone tomorrow. All empty. House is all empty. And we've got a giant excavator at the end of the driveway ready to go. So yeah, big moment for the red shed. The red shed, no more. So we're going to be documenting this process from start to finish, and really hoping to show kind of the good, the bad, and the ugly along the way. We've got a GoPro set up with GoPro Labs construction time-lapse software on it, so it should shoot for a solid 8 months without any interruptions. It's all running off a solar panel and a battery, and so it should be pretty cool to see this place change from what it is now into a completely new place by Christmas. So if you're interested in this process at all, please consider subscribing to the channel. And of course, we'd love to hear from people too, so drop us a note down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and on the next one, we should be seeing a big excavator dig a big hole and knock down this garage. See you soon.